So today I'm going to be building the Monsgeek M1W using the DIY kit. Akko sent this across to me to check out, so thanks to them for doing that. We're going to be building with that keyboard set. We're also going to use the black MDM keycap set, and we're rocking with the V3 Piano Pro Switch. This is a 75% keyboard, and this thing is beautiful for the money. Oh my days. So let's get into the build. So let's build this. What we're building. It's called a Monsgeek M1W from Akko. I can never say the name. We're going to put they did send me this as well. Akko V3 Pro switches. And then these keycaps as well. So this bad boy looks like. Feels heavy, it's definitely aluminium for sure. This is the DIY kit. 75%. I like it already. Good look. USB adapter. Can tell which one it is at least, that's a bonus. This is wireless. Can be wired as well. Some different stabilizers by the looks of it. I have no idea what they are. It's metal, this wheel as well. Hot swap. Like it had a flap on the side, but it looks like a gold finish. The problem with the metal ones is you can never seem to get adjustable legs. It's like the bottom lit LEDs as well. A long screw. Short one at the front. Here we go. Pretty sturdy, this thing. This thing is well built. It's pretty thick. It's polycarbonate. I'm not going to take it fully apart, but we can have a look inside. So you got a foam gasket as well. It looks like some kind of white. Don't know what it is though. It is well built, isn't it? Put some in like extra fireproof or something. I don't know. Sticky, like a white backing on it, and then you obviously got the battery underneath it. Quite a big battery. Let's look at that. So battery cable, USB cable then. 600 milliamps, it's got 1200 milliamps by the looks of it. Oh no, 6000 milliamp. So it's got 12,000 milliamp battery in it. Pretty good out of the box to be fair, this bad boy. It's nice, it's even got the proper gasket on it. This is pretty well built. I'm impressed with this build, it's decent man. It's good out of the box. Well, definitely impressed with this build. Looks pretty good so far. New patch. There we go. So we're rocking the V3 Pro switches. 45 gram actuation, linear. I'm definitely liking linear switches at the moment. Full travel 3.5 mil. Pre-travel 1.9 to 0.5. They're a Vox switch, aren't they? They're tricky to get out. Let the pain begin. Nothing like destroying your fingers putting switches in. A little bit of movement, but it could be the polycarbonate top. This actually wrecks your fingers if you've not done this. I can already feel cramp in my thumb. Okay, so we got high setting for Mac, middle, look, middle's default Windows, and bottom default Windows power supply off, bottom built-in power supply on. It's really nice for stream because I've got a Cat5 cable and a USB-C cable in there. Now we can use a wireless keyboard on stream. 20. Not going badly these switches though. I thought maybe sometimes you get a bit of pin movement or a bit annoying with the pins, but these are pretty sound. Ta-da! Now the keycaps. White set. I like these style keycaps as well. These are nice. And we got some, some little picture ones as well. Pretty cool. So I'm thinking we go white on the main by the enter key and maybe down here, spacebar maybe black, and then black F keys. What do you think? With a couple of like random symbols. Style of keycap we got. Quite a low profile, isn't it? What I'm gonna do with these bits, I'm thinking, kind of liking this theme. Do we want white down here maybe? I don't know, do we want white? Ta-da! Pretty firm. Thought maybe on the sides, we've got a little bit of play on this corner. Corners are probably not as stable as you'd want, but other than that, it's pretty good for the money. Keycaps are like pretty stable. The keycaps, don't you? So it's full press. That I'm trying to like move it. Not bad. Here's a comparison one we built. This is the Keyboard Fans. I don't know which version it is, but we built this. It's plastic, so you can see the flex. And this is also aluminium, remember? This is not. This is full metal. It's like, and it's wireless. It's wireless and it's aluminium. This is about. It's about the same. It's about 150. Quite like how this one sounds, to be fair, but. So there's a drunk day one. It's a spillage, well, it looks like it must have been Friday night. But this is plastic. Not bad rigidity. And then, this is what, a 600 quid routing bill. These are default routing keys. Slightly more spongy. Nice, gotta say, pretty impressed. The missus's scales, she will kill me. Damn, 1.953 kilos. Practically a weapon. It's heavy. Good for home defense, yeah. I like it. Well built inside, wireless, as well as wired. What's the hate? I don't think I find anything wrong with it. I've got sort of software's like, but overall, I'm pretty impressed. This is better than I thought it was going to be. Probably the best budget keyboard I've tried.